look at fun things. Thing moves by itself too, right? You know, show a little bit of, you know, the tank. Come back, show the nice chrome. It's not pitted. It's really nice. Back up a little bit. Oops, going the wrong way. There we go. Show the muffler. Sort of go slow because she does different things. Right? Looks nice.
Do we have to charge this thing at the end of the night?
Yeah. There's a charger inside the desk. Yeah, show the gauges, show the chrome. You know what I mean? Every bike is different, right? So just sort of, right? Yep. What's number one thing about these bikes is chrome. Chrome is good. Victory or Vulcan, whatever it's called. Come back. She does editing, so it looks more like crazy.
Filters and stuff.
Yeah. It does different effects, music. All right, so you just want to give her something to work with. All right, show the glass. The glass is nice. Come back out. That's already a minute, right? Yeah. So just come in, walk around. What I usually do is I finish off something, right? So I'll finish off with a whole shot of the bike this time. That's it.